This tutorial guides you through configuring purchase orders and managing signature requests within Subtrade. You will learn how to set up company settings, create purchase orders, and complete signature approvals. Open the Company Settings menu. Click Settings to access configuration options for your company. Scroll down and find the Purchase Order Approval setting. Then click on the toggle to turn it on. Select the person responsible to approve purchase orders. Click Save Settings to apply any changes made to the company configuration. Now let's create a sample purchase order to review the entire workflow. Select a project. Click Purchase Orders to manage purchase order documents for the project. Click Create to start a new purchase order for the project. Click Title to enter the purchase order title. Complete your purchase order by providing all the required information. Click Request Approval to initiate the approval process for the purchase order. Click Save to finalize the purchase order after requesting approval. Click Signature Requests to manage pending signature approvals. Scroll down to find the section dedicated to purchase order approvals. This area contains all the necessary information and options related to the approval process for purchase orders. Open the purchase order and click Sign to provide your signature on the document. Click here to continue the signing process. Click Confirm Signature to finalize your signature on the document. Now that the purchase order has been officially approved, it is fully prepared and ready to be submitted. Click Send to distribute the purchase order to relevant parties.